Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here with the mouth-watering dessert coconut ladoo for all the coconut lovers out there. This is an amazing recipe that everyone loves because of the flavor of freshly grated coconut mixed with sugar, ghee and whole milk. So let's move on to see the ingredients. Our first step is to roast the grated coconut. For that I have taken a kadai and heat on a medium flame. I am roasting this to remove the moisture out of the coconut. We have to stir it continuously, otherwise one side of the coconut would become brown in color. See, the water content is gone. Now we can transfer this to a plate. Our next step is to melt the dried Mawa Khoya. For that I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee to the same pan. Ghee is completely melted. Now we can add Mawa. The other name for Mawa is Khoya. This is nothing but thick milk solid that is being formed by simmering the milk on low flame for a long duration of time. Actually, it takes almost 2 hours to transform 1 liter of milk to Mawa. Mawa is almost melted. Now we can add roasted coconut to this. Mix the coconut well with Mawa for 2 minutes. Now we can add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar to this and mix everything well. I have added 2 cardamoms while grinding the sugar. When the sugar starts to melt, we can add chopped cashew, badam and pista to this. Mix everything together and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Our coconut ladoo mixture is ready. We can transfer this to a plate. When the mixture is cooled down, we can shape into medium-sized balls. Roll the ladoos in dry desiccated coconut to coat well. It's optional only. If you have desiccated coconut with you, you can use. Our delicious coconut ladoos are ready. It's very easy to make and everyone would love this. So please do try. We can store in the refrigerator in an airtight container for 4 to 5 days. Thanks for watching my video. Until then, bye bye.